If you're afraid to inject yourself with Wegovy, I need you to go grab an alcohol wipe and your Wegovy pen, and we're gonna do this together. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open our wipe and we're gonna sanitize our injection site. Today, I'm gonna inject myself in my thigh. And I'm choosing my upper thigh. I am going to just take the cap off my pen. I'm going to make sure that the window is facing me so I can see the medication being injected into my body. I'm going to grab me a nice little chunk of meat. And I'm going to inject myself. And just like that, we are done. Once you inject yourself for the first time, you see it wasn't as bad as you thought it was. Don't be afraid to start your journey. We are all in this together, so thank you for joining me.